Chapter 11. The Eighth Seed. The seasons passed gently now in Srejipur. What once was a land of parched earth and silence had become a place of color, laughter, and promise. Every season brought a new crop, every child a new story. The fields no longer feared the skies, and the people no longer feared the future. But in the heart of the village, one seed remained, the eighth seed. Kaniz kept it in a small hand-carved box lined with cotton and sandalwood. Unlike the others, it glowed with a gentle pulse, like a heartbeat. It had been with him through the hardest times, through hunger, through flood, through the moment he stood before the people and chose mercy over revenge. Kiran once asked why he didn't plant it. Because, he said, this one is not meant for food, it's meant for faith. He buried it one evening beneath the banyan tree, the same tree where justice was spoken and songs were sung. No ceremony, no crowd. Just him, Kiran, and the soft hush of the wind. Years passed. Children grew. Crops flourished. The name Srejipur traveled beyond maps. It became a story whispered in desert towns and river valleys, a tale told by candlelight, of a poor farmer, his daughter, and a miracle that grew from kindness. Kaniz aged like old grain, quiet, strong, necessary. He no longer led the work in the fields, but every morning he walked among the crops, fingertips brushing leaves like blessings. Kiran became a teacher. Under her banyan tree classroom, children sat in circles, learning not just letters but values. She taught them to read and to listen, to each other, to the land, and to the silence between seasons. One afternoon, many years later, a small boy named Kiran was digging near the banyan roots to plant a flower for his grandmother. His fingers brushed against something warm, not metal, not stone. He unearthed a single seed. It glowed softly. Kiran ran to Kiran, the seed cupped in both hands. "Auntie, look, I found magic!" Kiran took the seed and closed her eyes for a moment. When she opened them, they shimmered with tears, but not of sadness. She smiled. "Yes, Kiran," she said, "that's your seed now. What should I do with it?" Kiran knelt beside him. "You'll know, when someone needs it more than you. That's when it will grow." That night, Kiran placed the seed in a pouch and tied it around his neck, just like Kaniz once did. He didn't understand its power yet, but he would. And so the eighth seed lived on, not in soil but in spirit, in every story told beneath that tree, in every child who shared their last grain of rice, in every heart that believed, even when there was nothing left to believe in. The poor farmer who once survived hunger had planted more than food. He had planted hope. And that, in the end, was the greatest harvest of all. Looking for a fun and simple way to improve your English? In this video, we'll show you how English short stories can help you learn faster and more naturally. Short stories are perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. They're easy to follow, full of useful vocabulary, and great for practicing reading and listening skills. By reading and listening to stories, you'll learn new words in context, understand English grammar naturally, improve your pronunciation and comprehension, enjoy the learning process without feeling bored. Whether you want to speak English more fluently or just enjoy a good story while learning, this is the perfect place to start. Hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let's learn English together.